Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is 99th lecture of mathematics, and in today's lecture we are going to start question number 6. Question number 6 is saying the figure shows a trapezium PQRS where PQ is equal to 12 meter and PS is equal to 13 meter. If PT is equal to 10 meter and the area and perimeter of trapezium are 150 meter square and 54.7 meter respectively, find the length of, in the first part they are saying to find the length of RS. So let us write first area of trapezium is equal to 1 over 2, and if we are saying the sum of parallel side, so there will be PQ plus RS into, and the height is PT. So that will be equal to 150 meters square, that is given to us in the question. So now putting the values 1 over 2 into PQ, you can see that it is 12 RS we have to find, and then PT is 10. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So we are writing, and that will be equal to 150 as well. So we are writing 5 into 12 plus RS is equal to 150 meter square. So when we divide both sides by 5, so we will get 12 plus RS is equal to 30, and when we subtract that 12 from the 30, so we will get RS is equal to 18 meters square. In the second part they want us to find QR, so we can find QR from the perimeter. So we are writing perimeter of trapezium is equal to, first of all we have to write the dimensions, and that is PQ, the external line, plus QR, that is what we have to find, RS plus SP, putting the values, all the values except that here I am writing that the perimeter is 54.7 and PQ is 12, QR we have to find, plus RS is, we found that in the first part, and that is 18, and plus SP is given as 13. So we can write that QR is equal to 54.7 minus 12 minus 18 and minus 13. So in this way we will be able to find the value of QR, and that is 11.7. That is 11.7 meter. Okay, next is the question number 7, and question number 7 is the last question of these basic level questions. The figure shows a trapezium labeled as ABCD, where AB is perpendicular to AD. You can see that, and AB is equal to 12 centimeter. I label that as well. BC is equal to 14 centimeter. That is also labeled. You can see that from the figure. And AD is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded regions. There are two shaded regions. First of all, we have to find the area of trapezium, and then we have to subtract area of the shaded region will be area of trapezium ABCD minus area of triangle BCE. Let us write it first. Area of shaded region is equal to area of trapezium and that is A B C D minus area of triangle BCE. So now we have to put the values inside it. Now area of the trapezium is 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides, which is 10 plus 14 into height, and that height is 12. Now minus is coming from the equation, and then 1/2 into 14 into 12 is the area. Base into height. Base is 14, and you can see the height of that triangle is 12. So we have to write it 1/2 into 24 multiplied by 12 minus 2 6er, and that will be equal to 84. Now 2 1s and 2 6s, and then we are having 144 minus 84, and that will be equal to 60 centimeter square. So that is the whole story about question number 7. Now we are turning our focus to the intermediate level questions on these perimeters and areas of the parallelogram. Now the question number 8 is saying, in the figure ABFG, you can see ABFG and CDEF are two parallelograms such that the sum of their area is 702 meters square. You have to keep in mind that 702. So the sum of their areas is equal to 702 meters square. So keep in mind that the area of one parallelogram will be 702 divided by 2. Keep this in mind. The sum of both the parallelograms is equal to 702, and then we have to find this value 702 divided by 2. Okay, they are saying that FB is equal to CD, and you can see that FB is equal to CD, EF. If CD is equal to EAB is equal to CD is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to 1 over 2 of BC. Find the area of the shaded region. So first of all, we have to find area of parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram, which one? ABFG. ABFG is equal to 702 divided by 2, and that will be equal to 351 meters square. Similarly, height of the parallelogram, here I am writing height of parallelogram ABFG. ABFG with reference to the base, with reference to the base, FG is equal to 351 divided by 27, and that will be equal to 13 meter. Now we are in a position to find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to 1 over 2 into 2 into 27 into 13, which is equal to 1 over 2 into 54 into 13. When we calculate it, so 351 meter square is the value of this shaded region. So dear learners, that was the whole story about question number 8. Now we are turning our focus to question number 9, and question number 9, A part is saying, for each of the following figures, find the total area of the shaded regions where O is the center of the circle, and you can see that it is labeled as O is the center of the circle. Now the figure is shown to you on the right side of your screen, and also the dimensions are labeled with it for your convenience so that you can understand the question very well. So now let's start the total area of shaded region. So I am writing total area of shaded region is equal to area of area of rectangle minus area of circle minus area of triangle. So first we have to find the area of the rectangle, and that will be equal to 12 plus 14 12 plus 14 into 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10. You can see that this side, and then we are having to this side multiplication, that will be the area of rectangle minus area of the circle will be equal to pi, and 4 is the radius, so we have to take 4 is the square of the 4, then it is rectangle 1 over 2 into 12 into 15. You can see that this is the base and that is the height. So after necessary calculation we will be able to find that this is 26 multiplied by 25 minus 19 into 10 minus 16 pi and minus 90. 16 pi into 90. Now this is 650 minus 190 minus 16 pi and minus 90. So that will be equal to 370 and minus 16 pi, and when we calculate it, it will be equal to 320 centimeter square, and that will be the area of shaded region. Now the second part is B, and in the B part we have to find the area of shaded region in the following way. Area of shaded region, and first of all we have to find the area of trapezium. The area of trapezium minus the area of circle whose radius is given as 6 centimeter. So here we are writing 1 over 2 into sum of the parallel sides into height, and that is 18 minus pi and 6 whole square. Now 1 over 2 into 53 into 18 minus 36 pi, which is equal to 477 minus 36 pi. and that is equal to 364 centimeter square. That is equal to 364 centimeter square, and that is the area of the shaded region. Now the final intermediate question is question number 10, which is saying in the figure a parallelogram GH, you can see that a parallelogram GHDE and a semicircle are removed from a trapezium ABCE. BOC is the diameter of the semicircle with the center O. If AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 15 centimeter, EG is equal to 13 centimeter, AG is equal to 12 centimeter, and DF is equal to 16 centimeter. Find the area of the figure. So first of all, there is a trapezium, so which is ABCE. So area of the figure will be something like this. Area of the figure is equal to area of trapezium, area of trapezium minus area of semicircle, area of semicircle. Now simply we have to insert the values, and the values in first case is 1 over 2 into 12 plus 13 plus 15. This is the parallel side, so 12 plus 13 plus 15. These are the three parallel values into height, which is given as 24, this one, and then we have to subtract the semicircle, and that will be pi into diameter is given as 15, so we have to divide it by 2 and then taking the square. So in the next step we will get 1 over 2 into 40 multiplied by 24 minus 208 minus 1 over 2 into pi into 7.5 whole square. Next will be, this will be 20 and 40 when we multiply, so it will be 480 minus 208 minus 28.125 pi, 125 pi, and after necessary calculation we will get the final answer, and that is 184 centimeter square after the calculation on the calculator. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we came to the end of the the intermediate level question. In the next lecture, we will start the advanced level questions, and really they are advanced. So wait for that how much advanced picture is in those questions till tomorrow. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.